Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. We're going to be pushing out, I'm going to try to be pushing out this little bumper dent here. The customer wants just me to push it out. I told him, I said, hey, it's not going to even be close to perfect. But, yeah, they don't have the money right now to spend on a $3,000 bumper repair. Probably end up replacing this bumper, but yeah, it's a 2024 Honda Pilot, pretty sweet rig. So yeah, the first thing I'm doing now is I got my heat lamp on it and I'm just warming it up, just warming up the dent. But in the meantime, I already took it apart. I loosened up the inner wheel well here, and that gives us access up in there so I can reach up there with my hand and push out the bumper. Otherwise, you're going to end up taking the bumper off. I told him that'd be the best repair, just take it off and go from there, but he doesn't want to spend the money. I got Bud out here, my assistant. Bud, say hi to the camera. Yeah, he's helping out today. He's probably going to be helping me push out the bumper a little bit. So anyway, let's get started on it. So yeah, it's warming. You want the repair warm. You don't want it real hot. You can see it's starting to move a little bit. You don't want it too hot to melt anything. This stuff here will melt quick, so that's why I'm kind of using a heat lamp versus a heat gun. A heat gun, you can get crazy and you can get this stuff way too hot. So yeah, we just got moderate heat going on there. It's been on there for about 5 minutes. Let's get under there and see what we can do. Okay, I got the camera set up so you can see what's gonna happen here. I'm not even gonna be able to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna get my light on the inside there and I'm just gonna start. Not really sure where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna try to start here. Just gonna push it right in here and see if we can get this thing to pop out. So let's see, hopefully it'll come out of there. Like I say, it ain't gonna be perfect, I already know that. I've done these bumpers before. This line here is gonna be holding it up. Got a nice little chip there, but yeah. I'm gonna just try to push it here and see if it wants to come, and then if it doesn't, then I'll start down there. Let's see what we got. Not a lot of access up here, so I haven't even tried to get up in there yet. I can feel it. I don't even know where I'm pushing now. Okay, I felt something. There's the line. I can feel the line. You guys know what it looks like. I don't even know. I can't see it, so I'm just kind of feeling it and pushing it. My hand's stuck in the bumper. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Sweet! Not bad. Not bad at all. Came on a lot better than I thought it was gonna. Yeah. Shine the light here. Yeah, you can't really see it, but you know, told him it wasn't going to be perfect. It's got a little indentation here, and it's got something right here. So I'm just going to leave the heat on there just for a bit, and we'll just keep warming it. And I'm going to get under there and try to push this out a little bit. And maybe push in here. I can feel the lows, so it's kind of like doing PDR on a bumper. All right. Yeah, if you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, share. thumbs up. It's really gonna help me grow my channel. Yeah, sometimes, like when a dent goes in, there's always a hump on either side. Sometimes you call it, you know, when something goes in, something's got to come up. So sometimes if you can just push a little bit on that outer high spot and then maybe try pushing in the middle, that might help a little bit. So I'm going to go and do that right now. Got my safety glasses on because there's a lot of dirt in here. Okay. I'm just feeling around here. I think I'm down low now. So I'll start there. I'm just using my thumb because there ain't no way I'm gonna get my tools in here. Okay, kinda did that. I can feel that low spot on the high, and I try to thumb it, and I think I got some of it. Okay. I think that's going to be it, folks. I don't think I can get any better. Well, that didn't do much there, but he's going to be okay with it. And that actually came out a little bit more. Well, that's what you get. That ain't bad. He can live with that. Yeah, I'll get this heat lamp out of here. See what it looks like. It's gonna move the camera a titch. So yeah, I mean, the heat is the key. Now, if you don't have a heat lamp, which most people don't, it's gonna take two people to do this job. One to heat it, and the other one to get in there and start pushing on it. Yeah, we got issues here. Got a little something going on here. No big deal. We're gonna leave it. Looks a whole lot better than it did before. And that's all the customer can hope for, you know, especially on just trying to push out a plastic bumper. And with it on the vehicle, it's terrible. So I told him, yeah, the best way to do it would be to take it out, put it on a stand. But yeah, you're dealing with all kinds of stuff to get this thing off. So yeah, we went the cheapest route. Probably have 45 minutes into it right now, and I still got it. I'm just gonna leave that now. I'm gonna put it together, get it off the jack there, and ship it out. So yeah, totally appreciate you guys watching. Hope you like the content. Please like, subscribe, share. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you.